Hi, I'm Allie. My friends and I went over to Unique Snacks to find out what makes Unique Snacks so unique.
Good morning, welcome to Unique Snack. So before we get started on our tour, does anybody here have food manufacturing experience?
Yep. But Daddy, I want a new balloon for now!
The pride that I feel in getting to come to work every single day, knowing that all of the employees that I support make a direct impact on our community.
You shall not pass until you get some of my sourdough rings.
Making safe, quality, enjoyable product for all our customers that enjoy our product.
I run the quality assurance and food safety department. One of the things that we really focus on is ensuring that our weights and measurements are all in check and that our scaling is well within range. It's something new every day. It's always different and keeps it fresh, keeps me busy.
Well, in this silo, we have about 100,000 pounds of flour.
100,000 pounds? Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
What's the bag for?
Oh, I'm just waiting for some pretzels to be done cooking.
There's about 10,000 pretzels coming out of there.
We're gonna need a bigger bag.
Unique Snacks prides itself on its culture, its people. We have an incredible team that dedicates themselves to doing their jobs and making sure that we produce the best product we possibly can.
Oh, I get it now. Like they say at Unique, people really do come before pretzels in the dictionary.
Pretzel?
Well, thank you.
My mama always said, life is like a box of pretzels. You never know which one you're gonna get.